Give me that one.
That one?
Yes.
You can take it.
Fish, fish, fish.
Anybody wants to buy it?
Confused. Just tell me one fish.
I want this one fish.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take it.
20?
Yes, rupees 20.
Okay. Give me for 50.
No, I will not.
18 is the last amount.
No.
Oh, you fishermen, I know. Nobody in this whole market will buy you this costly fish. Did anyone will buy this fish? No. You see now, nobody is in favor of buying this fish.
Come in.
Yes, Majesty.
Keep this basket down. Hina, buy this big silver one fish for me.
Fisherwoman, give
Wait.
me
Hina, you forget to ask the fisherman that this fish is a male or a female fish.
Oh, yes, I forgot. Fisherwoman, is this big silver fish a male or a female fish? It's a male fish. It's a male fish, Your Majesty.
Then you know, Hina, I can't eat a male fish.
Why? Yes, of course. We allow no male apart from the king himself to enter Her Majesty's palace.
From where this voice is coming? Who's laughing at me? Come in front, you coward! Who's laughing at me? The fish is laughing?
What?
What? A fish is laughing at me? A male fish is laughing at me?
Yes, Your Majesty, a fish is laughing at you.
Oh my god! I'm the queen of this kingdom. How can a male fish laugh at me? I'm very angry. Guards! Guards! Where are you fools?
We were sleeping.
Really? Were you sleeping? So should I beat you with a stick?
No.
Get hold of this woman right now.
Forgive me, I'm not doing anything. Forgive me, I'm not doing anything. Majesty, are you okay?
Oh my god, what is this happening in my kingdom? I'm very angry. Hina, follow me to the king's room.
Forgive me, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything.
Get up! Do you know what has happened with me?
What happened, my dear? Who has dared to offend you?
A fish! A fish laughed at me! I've been insulted!
What? Salted? What are you saying? I can't understand.
Am I a vegetable that I'll be salted? It's insulted, you fool!
What? Bolted? But how can a fish bolt you?
It's insulted. Insulted.
Okay. Now what do you want from me?
I want you to find a solution to my problem within a week.
But what do you think? I have no work to do in my entire kingdom.
Then you'll not find a solution to my problem? Then I leave for my dear father's kingdom right now.
Okay, I assure you that I will find solution for your problem.
Within a week.
Okay.
That's fine. Hina, follow me. Problem.
I can't see tears in the eyes of my queen. Just go and solve the problem.
But
Just go.
But
I don't want to listen anything. Just go and solve the problem.
But Majesty, first tell me the problem.
Sorry, dear. You know, my queen was buying a fish in the market, and she just asked whether the fish was male or female. The fisherwoman said male. Her maid said that no male except me can enter her room, and that very time a male fish laughed at her. Now my queen wants me to punish the culprit. Please help me, or otherwise I will put you to death.
What? You will put me to death?
Yes,
I have been serving you since my young age.
but I will put you to death.
Okay, I think I must try my... I think I try my best.
But within a week then.
Okay, you will be taking my dead body for burial.
What an inauspicious thing to say, Father. Who hurt you?
It is the king. He will kill me.
What happened? Tell me everything.
Today, a fish laughed at the queen.
What? A fish laughed at the queen? How is that possible?
The king has given me a week time to solve the mystery.
Father, rest assured, I will soon find the solution for your problem.
It might be the last time we are standing together.
Father, please don't say that. It was fine. Ruchi, you know, while returning home from town, I met Wazir Sanamir. But he was little awkward in his behavior. Awkward behavior? Yes. He would ever so speak in a manner that I could not make head or tail of. Like when I invited him home, he asked me that if the beams of our house are strong enough, would Wouldn't you call that strange?
Oh, Father, he seems to me a very wise man. He only wanted to know if we have enough food to feed him. Where did you left him?
I left him standing near the local inn.
Okay. Ramlal!
In the kitchen.
Oh, really? You were in the kitchen or sleeping in the bedroom?
How do you know?
I give you money for just sleeping.
I think yes.
Oh my God! Leave that. Take 12 chapatis, bowl of porridge, and jug which is full of milk. Give this to the man my father made, and tell him the moon is full. There are 12 months in a year, and the sea is full of water. Tell him he's also invited at the dinner. Understand? Now why are you looking at my face? Go!
Dear father, I am very hungry. Please give me something to eat.
Oh dear. Take some porridge, 2 chapatis and a half jug of milk. Farmer Bhaskar, I sent this for you. And she said, the moon is full, there are 12 months and the sea is full of water. She also said that you are invited for the dinner in the evening.
Okay. Tell her that the moon is half, there are 10 months and the sea is not full at all. And tell her that I have accepted her invitation. Thank you.
And thank you. And he accepted your invitation and he said, the moon is half, there are 10 months and the sea is not full at all.
Wicked servant! You stole from my food! I'm not going to leave you. Where's my... Oh, I'm going to beat you.
Thank you.
I heard about your problem. And I'm sure there must be a man in the Queen's palace that time.
Impossible! There would be no man in Queen's palace. He would be put for death for such an offense.
If he was just like a woman...
I should go to my father and give this news to him.
Wait, I have a plan.
You are very intelligent.
Thank you.
Queen, at that very day, whosoever will jump over this bed will be rewarded by 1,000 muhars by the sweet king.
But that's not possible. My mates are all females. They can't jump over this bed.
But if they want to earn the 1,000 muhars, they have to jump.
Then continue.
Hey, you.
Me?
Yes, jump over this bed.
Oh God! I hurt myself and lost the reward.
You are out. Hey, you, Hina. Jump over this.
Oh my goodness! It's tough.
Are you okay?
Yes, Your Majesty, I'm okay.
Hey, you. Jump over this bed.
Oh my God! It's too tough.
Hey, you. Jump.
Yeah, I won. Give me my dress.
She won.
I will give you.
Give?
Guards. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Get hold of that woman.
What?
This is the reason why the fish laughed at the queen. Actually, she's not a woman. She's a man.
That is so terrible. From those many days, man was living with me. That is so terrible. Ya Allah. Leave me. Oh my God. He is wearing a wig too. Leave me.
Put him into the jail.
Give me my reward. Where's my reward?
Bring the reward. Here is your reward. 1 gold coin.
What? Only 1 gold coin? I want more.
I only have this much to give you.
I want more. I don't know. I want more.
You greedy Wazir? Do you know the value of 1 gold coin, Wazir Babu?
No, I want more.
So give me this
No,
reward.
no, sorry. Amir,
Father,
take it. It's your reward.
I'm not only the person who solved this mystery. Ruchi also helped me to solve this mystery. Here, Ruchi, here's your reward.
Thank you, but only 1 gold
Okay,
coin.
then give it to me.
No, it's okay.
No,
Give
give-
it to me. No,
Well done, Ruchi.
Thank you, Majesty. So, Amir and Ruchi solved the mystery. It was not possible without the unity and hard work of our team and all the persons related to our team. And our teachers too.